In this video, I'm going to explain a Plafond fracture from a personal injury attorney's point of view. A Plafond or Pilon fracture is one of the most severe breaks in the lower leg. It usually happens because of a fall from a pretty high height or a front-end motor vehicle crash or a motorcycle crash. In order to understand what's going on, we need to spend a minute and talk about the anatomy of the lower leg by the ankle. The lower leg has two bones, the tibia, the shin bone, or the fibula, the outside bone. The tibia is the major weight-bearing structure in the lower leg and comes together at the ankle with a bone called the talus. Because it bears so much weight, the risk of complication is pretty high with this type of fracture. Treatment usually consists of fixation, trying to put the bones back together. This can be done with an external fixator or opening up the leg and putting screws and pins inside. A real concern with this injury is the inability to use the ankle and chronic pain, which sometimes requires fusion at the ankle. As a personal injury lawyer, I have the responsibility to identify and account for the long-term consequences associated with this injury for my clients. I also have the duty to be able to explain and articulate how this injury is going to impact my clients. I also have the duty to be able to explain and articulate to an insurance adjuster or a jury how this injury will impact the rest of my client's life. If you have any questions about a lower leg injury after an accident, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.